Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Nick box unboxing. So if you would like to see what's in this box, please keep watching. So I'm not really sure of the theme. This is what it looks like. It's like a newspaper article. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So once you take the first thing out. And you always get like a little card that tells you like what everything is in the box.
The first thing I have is a notepad and a pen set.
And it looks like it's Tommy's ball and a screwdriver. So that's super cute. So this is the pin. So you just take it out of the top like that. Oh, that's cute. I bet Frank would like to take this to work. This is so cool. Then the next thing we have right here, I think it's a towel. Yeah, so this is a bath towel. This is a first. We've never gotten a bath towel before. And this is what it looks like. So it's Ren in the bath with a bar soap. Oh, that's cute.
Next we have a mini, like,
finger skateboard.
Yeah, finger skateboard. Like a tech deck.
And you can put stickers on it. It says it's customizable fingerboard. Rocket power. I don't really remember seeing that TV show, but maybe. Next we have this, which I think it's an outfit. Oh goodness. Oh, look at it. So it is the guy from Real Monsters, and he even has armpit hair. Oh my god, this will be so perfect for Halloween. I'm wearing this when you go trick-or-treating. Or you can wear it to school. And look, there's eyeballs hanging on the side. So this is the crumb set. That's gonna be so perfect for Halloween.
Next we have Rocco's Modern Life pouch.
So open it. I think it unzips into the pouch. Oh, so it's like a travel-friendly one. So if you needed a bag and you wanted to throw it in your purse, you could. Okay, you want to try to fold that back up? There. Next we have a Reptar pin. So if you saw our last Nick box unboxing, we decided that we were going to buy a jean jacket and then put all these little pins all over. I think it would be super cute and it'd be like really unique. Like nobody would have it except for us. Unless somebody else getting these boxes are doing the exact same thing. And then we could share it. Right?
A Stoop Kid vinyl from
Hey Arnold.
Hey Arnold.
They always put so many details on the packaging of these things in this. I really appreciate that. So it's just like a desk decoration. So he has a bookshelf in his room, and then the top shelf has all these like Nick box little figurines that we get. So it's pretty cool. Then the last thing we have here is a Stimpy soap dispenser. And I believe the soap comes out of his nose. Show you in the bathroom. So this is what it looks like. How do you get the soap out? Yeah, it's gonna come out of his nose, look. All right, I
like that thing.
This is gross and cool at the same time. Okay, so what's your favorite thing from the whole box? The Stimpy soap dispenser, that's pretty cool. I think my favorite thing is this. This shirt, because I think it is so hilarious. This is my favorite thing. What's your least favorite thing? So this is my least favorite thing because I just feel like you can't do anything with it. And what's yours? Yours is the bag, why? You just don't like it? Yeah. Okay guys, that's everything from this Nick box, so
thank you for watching.
Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of these Nick unboxings because I really enjoy them, and who doesn't love like 90s-ish cartoons. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.